Hello! Magandang araw, magandang hapon, o magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Gusto ko lang sabihin na gusto ko mag-vlog patungkol sa nararamdaman ko ngayon. Yan, kakapanood ko lang ng PBB. Contrary to what everyone knows. Hindi talaga ako pala nood ng TV. Ba't ako nanonood? Kasi gusto ko lang din i-exercise yung brain ko. Char! Let's go to the content. So, ang content ay mas na-realize ko ngayon na buong buhay ko pala sanay ako sa mabilis. Bakit? Ever since na bata pa ako, mas madali kang matututo kung magfo-focus ka sa isang bagay, tama? So, ibig sabihin, pag natuto ka, mabilis mo makukuha yung goal mo. Well, I can agree. But, hindi lahat ng pagkakataon nakukuha natin yung goals natin. Lalo na kung kulang tayo ng suporta o kulang tayo ng resources. So, gagamitin natin yung mga natutunan natin, mga unang parts ng buhay natin, lalo na nung bata pa tayo, mga basic things, just to be able to do things or accomplish things, better things for our goals or dreams in life. So, mas na-realize ko ngayon, after watching PBB, na ang buhay pala natin ay, it's a combination of being fast and being slow at times. Pero kailan ka ba kailangan magpreno or tumistansya doon sa mga nagkokas ng stresses sa life mo? I can honestly say that I really feel pressure right now. Pressure every day of my life. Siguro ang times lang na hindi ako nape-pressure ay yung pupunta sa beach, magsiswimming, recreation. Ayoko nga i-term na recreation eh. Parang lang, bakasyon, siguro vacation. Vacation from the normal things na ginagawa sa school since I was a child. Of course, I put importance sa pag-aaral, sa education. Kasi nga, yun yung makakatulong para paglaki natin or tayo, adult na ngayon, makukuha natin yung perang gusto natin para maibili natin ang mas gusto natin, diba? Then, I realized sa pag-watch ko ng PBB na there are people who really get what they want in life by working hard. But, hindi lahat ng nagwo-work hard talaga ay nakukuha yung break na gusto nila. What I mean by break is yung kasikatan, or not even kasikatan, but the breakthrough sa buhay nila to earn or to get a certain livelihood or yung a source of income. So, ano yung kulang doon? So, aside from the discipline na you need to study hard, work hard, or exhibit skills, improve the skills to get what you want or your dream or your needs in life. Of course, we all wanted to at least masustain yung mga needs natin. Meron pang isang kailangang idagdag doon. And one thing that I realized more right now after watching PBB is it's being a good person. It's showing the real goodness in you. So I believe that everyone has goodness inside of them, but we also have those bad sides or evil, let's say evil sides of us, that of course we're not perfect. Those keep showing sometimes, or most of the times, maybe for people who can't really control or screen their reactions or behaviors. Well, iba-iba kasi tayo ng upbringing. So, for me, I grew up na talagang ang mga parents ko ay nagbibigay ng mataas na importansya sa religiosity or spirituality. But, aside from that, ang pinaka-goal talaga nun is to be a good person in the society, to your family, to yourself, and to your loved ones and relatives and those people you call friends. So those two, discipline and the goodness in you. Yung sinabi nung isang housemate, hashtag salamat Ivan, pakisama. Yung pakikisama. Or just say pakikisama sa tao. Tamang pakikisama. Pakikipagkapwa tao. Katuod sa aming provincial term, yung you try to be a friend, not a foe to anybody na makakasalamuha mo o makakasama mo. That's a very, very good skill na sabi nga nila isa yan sa mga gagamitin mo para mas maging successful ka pa sa life. Yung makisama ka sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. Na yeah, you may agree on many things, but you can also, or you may also disagree on some points. But then, how do you balance those things na hindi kayo mag-aaway, na okay pa rin kayo, lalo na sa workplace, na kapag adult ka na, number one yung pakikisama. May disiplina ka nga, nandun yung skills mo, nandun yung talents mo, and this, what I'm saying is also a reflection of what I'm doing also, because I want to also, what do you call that, apply what I learned, and then I'm sharing it to you right now in this channel. So yun, you have the discipline, you have the goodness, the kindness, don't forget the right timing on saying things, on interacting with other people, not just at work but also in school, because school is like a simulation of what you will do in the near future, right? Especially if you're in tertiary education or college or senior high school. Marunong kang makisama at umintindi ng mga tao sa paligid mo. So that's all. That actually caused my crying earlier, but I do believe na sa mga nanonood nito or those people na mga kabayan ko po, mga Pilipino or mga nakakaintindi ng Tagalog or may English. Sorry kasi I'm used to speaking English. Joke lang po. Ayan. Ano po, maraming salamat sa mga natututunan ko using social media. And I'm hoping that ang paggamit ko ng technology ay mas makakatulong pa sa akin sa pag-share using this platform na meron or available. Salamat sa internet at salamat sa kalusugan na meron tayo. God bless sa inyo at sa inyong mga families. I hope you'll stay in love with the people around you, especially your loved ones. Sa mga may pamilya na, stay in love with your partner and your children or sa mga taong kinoconsider nyo as family members. At the end of the day, what I can say is parating ginagawa ko ito para sa mga mahal ko sa buhay bilang OFW dito ngayon sa UAE. And yeah, I cry at times, I feel pain, but yun yung parang nagfu-fuel din sa akin yung dream ko para sa sarili ko at sa family ko para magpatuloy na hindi tatagal na magkalayo kami ng mga mahal ko sa buhay. There will come a time that yung breakthrough na hinahanap ko using those things that I mentioned will, align or will form like into a puzzle, kasi parang jigsaw puzzle pa sila na binubuo hanggang sa mabuo yung masterpiece na ako, na yun nga, para akong isang tawag doon, yung may rubber tirador na ako yung kailangang mabuo anong klaseng stone ka dapat, na kahit maliit ka, hindi ka ganun kasikat, hindi ka ganun kakilalang tao, but even though you're just a small person, you have this abilities na gagamitin, and those are very minute but specific, which can help a thing, especially in the field of education or information dissemination, that will help the society. Once you allow yourself to be handled by a person who will have this Parang ano yun, sa tirador, aatras ka muna, giget ka ng momentum, tapos release, pak! Malayo mararating. So, physics. Thank you so much, and I hope na may nakuha kayo dito sa konting sharings ko. Hindi yung sipon. Sorry. Ngayon, naiiyak talaga ako kanina, pero yun, natutuwa ko kasi nailabas ko siya through this video. Have a nice day, and kung meron kayong reactions, positive man yan, or for compliments or constructive criticisms, you can always put down there or comment there. Just follow the guidelines ni YouTube to be polite, to be kind. Kasi pag hindi, i-delete ko yan. But of course, magiging learning experience natin, or kung magkakapuluto natin ng wisdom yung mga comments nyo po, lalo na sa mga nanonood. Kung hindi man kayo nanonood nito, or ayaw nyo mag-comment, okay lang, just let it pass. Your views, just a minute, 2, 3, 4 may count also. Salamat po, and have a nice day. Please like and subscribe. Okay, while promoting Youthful Grace Middle East, Ryan Dr. TV, and all those people who supports us na makikita niyo po sa aming channel home. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.